Expand your mind and allow my words to reverberate throughout your subconscious mind. The reality that you agree to construct is as real as you believe it to be. Your conscious mind is your crutch, and your dreams are the vehicle that drives you to the life you desire to live in. Since birth, our conscious minds have been given false parameters to navigate within. The collective consciousness of everyone around you dictates the circumference of your dreams. You must teach yourself to think beyond the chasm of the abyss of false truths that you've been taught were real. Your mind has the power and ability to reconstruct your molecular structure and the construct of your reality to fit the matrix of your desires. Spend at least 30 minutes a day with your eyes closed, reconstructing the life you deserve. Envision all that you know you desire to have, and tether the energy of love, gratitude, and joy to your visual picture. When you choose to know you deserve more, the energy of abundance and prosperity follows the beacon from your mind that's emitted from the power cord of your will. Winning starts before you begin.